Bird and Kip. Goodbye, Bird. Episode 1. Sad News. The air was getting colder. The days were getting shorter. Kip was counting his acorns.
This should be enough,
Kip said. He looked down at Bird.
I'm really looking forward to winter.
I'm glad.
Said Bird.
You will have lots of fun this winter.
No,
Said Kip.
we will have lots of fun this winter.
Actually,
Said Bird.
I wanted to tell you.
That you love sledding?
Asked Kip.
No, not that.
Said Bird.
That you love ice skating?
Asked Kip.
Not that either.
Said Bird.
Well, what then?
Asked Kip.
I'm flying south for the winter.
Said Bird.
You're flying south for the winter?
Asked Kip.
Yes,
Said Bird.
but don't worry. I'll be back in the spring.
Why are you going?
Asked Kip.
Because
Said Bird.
it's what birds do.